Hi guys. So this was a critical week for me. Planitry is officially submitted and in review with Apple. I've completed my first major user validation phase and I've officially moved from development to market readiness. Looking at my Trello board, 2 major tickets have been moved to done. The App Store submission and configuration. I've archived the final build, set the unique SKU, and completed all compliance documentations, including the privacy and content rights. The UX validation in Microsoft Forms. I've successfully recruited my first group of testers and they completed their task, and all feedback has been collected via the questionnaire. While I didn't add any new features, I completed the crucial code lockdown. This involved finalizing my product's build setting in Xcode, configuring signing, incrementing the build number, and freezing code to ensure stable and shippable product went to Apple. The biggest change this week was the full shift in focus. My original plan was a buffer week for minor feature tweaks, but instead I spent 100% of my time on the external process, submission, and feedback collection. This was necessary to get ahead of the app review queue and to gather the data I needed to plan the sprint 2. Users are primarily validating the stability of my core loops. So I'm going to quickly demo the 2 most critical features. First, the pantry inventory. On the inventory, you can see I have milk and chicken. I'll simulate searching for a single meal idea based on the items I have in stock. Here you can see there's milk in this idea. This flow worked flawlessly for all of my testers, confirming that my MVP is robust. Next, we'll look at the grocery list. I will add tomatoes and onions to the grocery list. Once I'm shopping for them, let's say I shop for the tomatoes, notice how the item instantly moves to the checked section, confirming that the list organization and stability, even with rapid input. This feature received positive remarks on the Microsoft forums for being intuitive. The plan for next week is simple: data analysis. I will be triaging all the feedback from the Microsoft Forms questionnaire to create a prioritized backlog for post-beta fixes and improvements. My current roadblock is external. I'm waiting on Apple App Review team to approve the build. My entire development timeline for new features is now dependent on their decision. That's it for the update this week. Thank you.